you were telling me, Jason, that the FIMER product, using the inverter connected to the battery, it keeps the... explain it to me again.
Well, basically the way it works is the inverter is not only converting the solar energy into electricity for your home, but it's also used to charge the batteries. So it's what we call a hybrid inverter in this case. And so it does the solar and the battery charging in the one box. And very simple system. It's a plug and play system. You can add batteries at any time, depending on your energy needs. And the other smart thing is, with the electric vehicle chargers that we manufacture, they can talk to the solar and battery system, and between them they can work out the best time to charge the vehicle based on the amount of solar you're generating or the amount of charge in the battery. So it's a really intelligent system that allows you to maximise the amount of renewable energy you use, for example, in your home or charging your car.